If you are looking for a precise and durable solar tracking system, the GS Lite 2P from Grace Solar is an excellent choice. This product features a multi-point transmission tracking system, supported by a robust torque tube that increases structural rigidity by 20%. Designed to withstand strong winds, it incorporates an advanced wind tunnel design and adapts to multi-angle protection strategies, ensuring reliable performance in diverse conditions. Each tracker row is complemented by 3 single-row drive devices to enhance overall structural stability. It's an ideal solution for power plants using bifacial double glass modules or operating under high civil construction costs. The system maximizes energy capture through AI intelligence and a double-sided tracking algorithm. It supports various geological conditions with flexible pile foundation options and ensures stable performance for up to 25 years. With over 15 years of experience, Grace Solar has been designing and exporting internationally certified mounting and tracking systems to countries worldwide. Backed by a team of skilled engineers, a state-of-the-art laboratory, and an impressive annual production capacity exceeding 10 gigawatts, we have continued to set the standard for innovation and quality in the industry.